Hello class, in the last video I showed you guys how to demote the outside chassis and bearings and place them on your base for your Clawbot. In this video I'm going to show you the inside chassis and bearings. The inside chassis and bearings are a little different. Let me show you on the PDF, and this is just the Clawbot PDF. You can see in this area right here the bearings are on the outside of the chassis rail that we are going to use for the inside of our base. So I need to make a different one. So I'm going to do that in Autodesk Inventor. And this time I'm going to do it a little bit different than I did the outside rails. Of course I could do it exactly like I did the outside rails, but I wanted to show you a different way of kind of playing with this or doing this. So I'm going to start out by going File, New, and this one's going to be a new standard IAM and create it. And then I'm going to go back to my base. I need some of these parts here, so I'm going to drop down the menu here, select bearing flat, hold down Control, select chassis rail, and then hold down Control and plus C, so to copy just these two parts inside the chassis rail, and Control V and paste them out into this other file here. And I need a couple more of these guys right here, so let me do that. Control C, Control V, and Control V, and then I pasted those. Now I need to place these on my chassis rail, so I'm going to constrain those, insert constraint just like we did before, and we skip a hole, place it right there. See, now it's on the outside face of that chassis rail. So the next thing I need to do is hit apply inside, click on that, apply, and do the next one. I skip two holes and then scoot it down. So let me cancel out of this. Let me see if I can drag this away so I can see what I'm doing. And then insert constraint, click there, zoom out, click on the outside here. I don't know if you can see where I'm clicking, right there. Hit apply, and then do the next one. And I like just getting real close. Hit apply. And again, if you get an error, just cancel and try your constraint again, because it means you might have misaligned your constraint. So that means you're trying to send your part at a weird angle and the computer can't do that. Or it can, it'll allow you to do that, but it'll mess up further assemblies later on. So let's get the last one here. Let me scoot it away. Oh, it looks like it's attached. So I got to get rid of these inserts. So when I copied and pasted it, it also copied and pasted the inserts. So I'm going to delete those with my delete key. Or I could just right click on it and just click delete. Next thing I need to do is constrain, insert constraint, and do this last one. So click there. And then on the outside here, there, hit apply, scroll in, do the next two, hit apply. Alright, so that one's done, and I'm going to go to File, Save As, and this is going to be my inside chassis and bearings. Save, and let's see if it'll allow me to save. It does. You can see the name changes right down there in the browser tab. And then click on Base, come back here, and now I can place that file. So go to Place, find my Assemblies folder, inside chassis and bearing, open that up, and I'm going to place that twice, and then constrain those to my bot, and I think it's just one hole away. I'll check the PDF just to make sure. It looks like it's just one hole away. I'll show you what I'm looking at here. So let me zoom down. So it's just one hole away, so that's where I'm going to place it. So go to Insert Constraint, click on the top here, zoom out, click on the bottom of that one, hit apply, and then do these two here. Apply. Now I have to do this other side. Insert Constraint, the top one here, the bottom one here, hit apply. Now we got to do this next one, the top to the, let me zoom out so you can see what I'm doing, to the bottom here. Hit apply. And now those are lined up correctly with all the bearing flats in place. And that's it. And then you can exit this. and you're good to go. And this makes for a nice browser window. You don't have all these parts showing up, and it's easy to navigate now. So you have the outside chassis bearing, inside chassis bearing. It's just a nice way of looking at it, and it's a nice, yeah, just concise way to look at it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.